Hello students, hope you all are well. Let us start the next video. Next video on the basis of 12th accounts part 1 chapter 2. 12th accounts part 1 chapter 2 exercise question number 16 of page 85. Before telling this question, let me say few sentences about your fair book. I know that one. Almost all the students they are writing the fair book, but each chapter exercise question number 1 and question number 2 that will write in the fair book. Once again I want to repeat, each chapter question number 1 that is MCQ, question number 2 that is section B 1 or 2 line question answer. According to your board paper style, MCQ of 10 marks, 1 or 2 lines of question also 10 marks, that is section A and section B. So the first chapter which I have already completed, that is first chapter page number 29 according to your textbook, page number 29, exercise 1, question number 1 is the MCQ. You are having the MCQ 10, all this 10 MCQ answer you will write, and question number 2 also answer you will write it, that is, and remaining practical sums I already told you. The second chapter of page number 76, exercise 2, the MCQ 10 questions are given, that 10 questions answer you will write it. Chapter 2, 1 or 2 line question answer is not given, that no need to write it. Long theory that I will tell you afterwards. Now let me start the today's video, that is page 85, question number 16. This is page 85, question number 16 according to your textbook. These full questions I will do the posting, then I will tell you the adjustment. I want to read the questions. Once again I want to tell you, when you will read the questions, that time you will keep in mind what is given, what is not given in the questions, whether is there any internal adjustment is there or not. If it is there, then mark the internal adjustment and then go through the posting. N and S are the partners of a partnership firm sharing profits and losses in capital proportions. This is the point which you have to remind. Capital proportions. From the following trial balance and adjustment, prepare the final account of the firm. This is your trial balance. Trial balance, when I will read, that time I will tell you the posting also. This is the trial balance as on 31st 3/17. That means your accounting year is 1/4/16 to 31st 3/17. What is given? Neha's capital and drawing. See students, where you are doing the mistakes, that is capitals and drawing. You don't think that first amount is the capital here 20,000. 20,000 is not your capital. 1 lakh is your capital. Drawing is 20,000. How you will understand? Though it is given capital and drawing, whether it is given here in your particulars column or name of the accounts, capital or drawing or drawings or capital, that is not a matter at all. What you will see? You will see the debit balance is the drawing, credit balance is the capital. On the basis of that, you have to take the decision. This is the amount for drawing, this is the amount for capital, whether it is given capital or drawing or capital. So you all of you know the drawings. It is partners capital account debit sides, and this is partners capital account credit sides. Similarly for S, capitals and drawing, this is drawing, the same posting. Also this is same posting. Suppliers and customers. See here, suppliers and customers. Customers means debtors, suppliers means creditors. But suppliers it is given, that means first 90,000 is not the amount for the suppliers. Suppliers amount is 60,000. So this is your debtors and creditors. Debtors assets, creditors liability. Goods return 2000 and 3000. The debit column goods return is sales return. It will deduct from sales, it will deduct from purchase. Bills, the debit bills is assets, the credit bills is liability. Cash and bank. Cash and bank, how do you understand whether it is cash or it is cash? Because cash balance never comes credit column. That will keep in mind. Always cash is debit, but bank, it may debit, it may credit. So this is cash and bank, this is cash balance, and this is bank balance. This is assets, this is liability. This is bank overdraft. Bad debt and bad debt reserve, profit and loss account debit, and it will be deducted from TAT at last. Purchase and sales, trading debit, trading credit. Wages and outstanding wages. Wages is 35,000, that is trading account debit sides, and outstanding wages is your liability. Only one posting. Most of the students outstanding wages, by seeing, they are doing double posting, but it is given in the trial balance. Machinery, assets, depreciation and machinery. Add with this machinery, because you have to calculate the depreciation and machinery what is given in the adjustment. Furniture is your assets, opening stock, trading debit. Prepaid insurance, assets. Salary, profit and loss account debit. Insurance premium, profit and loss account debit. Tax, rent and taxes, profit and loss account debit. Advertisement sections, profit and loss account debit. Goodwill is your assets. Leasehold building, this is most important. Leasehold building from 11014 for 5 years, 14,000. Most of the students are doing mistake when they are doing the calculation how much amount they have to do write off. 1414 for 5 years when 14,000. This is internal adjustment. I will explain it afterwards. 8% loan 111 16 30,000. This is also a liability, but Lila is not your partner. Your partner is N and S. So this is the loan from third party. You have to pay the interest, but it is given 8%. So you are having two internal adjustment. Now external adjustment, whatever it is given. The external adjustment it is given. Number 1, closing stock of rupees 1,10,000 and having the market value 20% more than books value. That will not go with anybody, it will go separately. But 20% more it is given, no need to calculate the 20% more, because we know that one, how to calculate the amount of closing stock, because the market price and cost price whichever is less. Per annum 6% interest will payable to the partner, all of you know. Interest on drawing, that is amount is given for N it is 900 and S it is 600. Provide 5% bad debt reserve on debtors. Outstanding expense at the end of the accounting year, rent of rupees 300, salary of rupees 950. Provide depreciation 10% of the machinery and 5% on the furniture. This is the 6th adjustment from outside, malab external, and 2 that is internal. Now one by one, posting I already explained you. One by one adjustment I want to explain it here. The sum I completed here. Now posting, which I already told you, almost all the students, all of you know which one will go where. This is your trading account, this is the profit and loss account, this is profit and loss appropriations account. Next page, this is page 2, the partners capital account and the balance sheets, and the last one is called the working. Now the first adjustment. First adjustment it is given, closing stock of rupees 1,10,000 having the market value 20% more than its book value. 1,10,000 20% more than its book value, so we will not calculate the 20%, because if you calculate 20%, which will come more than 1,10,000, but I want which one is the less one. So by closing stock, all of you know it has the two effect. One, trading account credit side, this is I am marking it here. Closing stock, I am doing the red line under, that is this red line under amount is from the adjustment. That is the first effect. And second effect, the closing stock of 1,10,000, that is your asset sides. Number 2, per annum 6% interest is payable to the partner. First effect, partners capital account, credit side. We wrote here buy balance BD, that is your capital balance, opening capital balance. 6% interest, buy interest on the capital 6%. 6% of 1,06,000, 6% of 50,000, that is 3,000. Now first effect, second effect. It will go profit and loss appropriations account, debit side. This is profit and loss appropriations account. To interest on capital for N and S, that is 6,000 and 3,000. First effect and second effect is over. Interest on drawing 900 and 600. And once again, that interest on drawing. Interest on drawing, it is coming partners capital account, debit side. Interest on drawing, the amount is given 900 and 600. First effect and second effect, it will come by interest on drawing 900 and 600. The first effect, partners capital account, debit side. Second effect, the profit and loss appropriations account, credit sides. Next one, provide 5% bad debt reserve on debtors. Debtors, where you wrote, debtors you wrote here, balance sheet asset sides. Balance sheet asset side, debtors 90,000 you wrote. After that, bad debt is not given in your adjustment, bad debt reserve is given. If bad debt is given, so we will deduct it bad debt. If bad debt is not given, then we will deduct directly. That is less bad debt reserve. Less bad debt reserve adjustment. How much percentage? 5%. 5% of 90,000, which comes 4,500. And outside this is for 85,500. This is first effect. Second effect, profit and loss account, debit sides. Profit and loss account, debit side, already you have done the posting bad debt from your trial balance 400. Add bad debt reserve of your adjustment 4,500, which you have done already. Then if you add, you will get 4,900 and less bad debt reserve of your trial balance, that is 1,300, that is 3,600. This all of you know, we are doing TAT, T-A-A-T, TAT. Is not it? That you understand. Next is coming the outstanding expense at the end of the accounting year, that is rent rupees 300, rent outstanding 12,000 from your trial balance, 300 add outstanding rent 300, outside 12,300, 300 ka first effect and 300 ka second effect, that is your liability. Next is coming the salary 950, add with salary, outstanding salary 950, 23,950, and this is again liability 950. Provide depreciation 10% of the machinery. Now you come, machinery you have done the posting here, that is 36,500 from your trial balance. Once again you got the machinery in the trial balance. This is also a trial balance machinery 3,500. Previous video I already told, if you add this one, you will get, this is the opening balance, 40,000 is the opening balance of your machinery in the beginning of the year, which you have to calculate 10% depreciation on 40,000, not 36,500. Don't calculate 10% on 36,500, it will be wrong. 10% of 40,000, which is coming 4,000, so outside is 36,000. This is your adjustment amount. Second effect, you know, profit and loss account debit side, it will go to machinery and depreciations 4,000, profit and loss account debit sides. Next is coming 5% on furniture. Furniture you are having how much? 12,000. 5% how you will calculate? You know that 10% is 1,200, 5% is 600. So this is your 5%, which is coming 600. So 11,400, this is your adjustment amount. And second effect, it will come the depreciation on furniture of rupees 600. So 6 external adjustment you have done. Now you are having the 2 internal adjustment. 2 internal adjustment, one is from leasehold building. Leasehold building, where you wrote in asset sides. This is your leasehold building, asset side you wrote 14,000. What adjustment is given? It is for 5 years. Most of the students, what the general mistake they are doing, let me explain this one first. After that I will tell you what is the actual you have to do. 14,000 divided by 5, most of the students are doing. If you are doing 14,000 divided by 5, it will be wrong, because 14,000 amount, it is not in the beginning of the leasehold building when you have taken. You have taken leasehold building when you have taken leasehold building 1, 10, 14. 1, 10, 14 say 5 years. But now your accounting year is 1, 4, 16 to 31st 3, 17. This is your accounting year. So what we will do, from 1, 10, 14 to 1, 4, 16, this many years or month that you have already completed. You have already done the amount which you have to deduct it. So this is 1, 10, 14 to 1, 4, 16. It comes 1.5 years. 1, 4, 14 to 1, 4, 16. It comes 1 year 6 months. So 1 year 6 month already amount you have deducted from leasehold building. The amount whatever it is given, that is for remaining months or the remaining year. So actually you are having total 5 years. Out of that 1.5 already you have deducted, so left is 3.5. This amount is for 3 years and 6 months. 3.5 means 3 years and 5 months not. 3.6 years means 3 years full and half of the next. That means high calculations I have done it here. Leasehold building from 1, 10, 14 to 31st 3, 16, 1 year and half years gone. Remaining left from the 5, 1 minus 1.5 this is, so it is coming 3.5. That means 3.5 years the amount is for 14,000. So write up amount will be 14,000 divided by 3.5, not 5. So that is 10. If you multiply here, it comes 1,40,000 divided by 35, which is coming 4,000. 4,000 amount which you have to deduct for the leasehold building. This is first effect, balance sheet asset sides, and second effect, the profit and loss account debit sides. Next is coming the interest on loan of Leela. 8% Leela's loan 1/11/16. 8%. 8% of 30,000 for whole year, how much comes? 2,400. If you calculate 8% of 30,000, you will get 2,400 for whole year. 2,400 if it is for whole year, so per month it comes 200, and it is taken from 1/11. From 1/11, if you calculate from 1/11 to 31st 3, 17, it comes 5 months, because November, December, January, February, March. So per month 200, so 5 months it comes 1,000. So this is the interest on loan for Leela, that is for 5 months, which comes 1,000. This is first effect, and the second effect, interest on loan for Leela, is here 1,000. So total you have done the how much? 6 plus 2, 8 adjustment. After completing the adjustment, what we will do immediately, I told you, immediately don't go to try to find out the gross profit. What we will do, the amount which you wrote in inner column, whether it has been transferred to the outer column or not, sometimes something will be left. So that you once you go through, this is gone, this is also gone, this is also over, this is also over, this is also over, this side nothing is there, this side, this is the balance will come, this is nothing is given, this side, this is also, it has gone outside, this is also it has gone outside, this is also it has gone outside, this is also it has gone outside. Now you will start closing from top to bottom. That is trading account. Trading account, if you add, you will get 3,68,500, and you will find out the 1,50,400 is your gross profit. That will transfer to the opposite sides of the profit and loss account. By gross profit, transfer from trading account 1,50,400. This side nothing is given, and if you find out the balance, Here this is the gross profit 1,50,400 and this is the net profit. You are getting 96,050. This net profit you are going to transfer to that here 96,050 and you will get the balance 88,550, which is called net divisible profit, and that will to distribute to the partner N and S. Which ratio? Capital ratio. Capital ratio, how will find out? Here it is capital 1,50,000, that means 2:1. 50, this is 1 lakh, this is 1, this is 2, that is 2:1. So here this ratio will distribute N and S 2:1, 59,033, 29,517. That will transfer to the next steps. Next step is called partners capital account. Opposite sides. This is profit, this side loss. By net divisible profit, the amount you have written it here. And if you add it, you will get this total and you will find out the balance. The balance which is coming to balance CD 1,44,133, 67,917. That will transfer to the balance sheets. Capital for N and capital for S, you will get 2,12,050. And remaining this all you have done from the posting. This rate you have gone from the adjustment, and if you add, you will get 3,41,100. Here also 3,41,100. Keep in mind here goodwill I wrote in the middle, but I have forgotten. You will write it here goodwill. Goodwill always it will come on the first in the balance sheets. This is the students video. Now homework, this is up to 16 I have done. Now next video I will not do the complete sum. Some of the adjustment that I will collect it, I will make some my own adjustment, and the particular few adjustment which will are feeling little difficult to understand, that type of adjustment I will explain it. And next the homework, that is question number that is 17 and 18. 17 and 18, this exercise question number you will do as homework. Once again I want to tell you the chapter which I will complete. Each chapter question number 1 all are given for the MCQ, that will write in the fair book, and question number 2 also will write in the fair book. That is question will come according to your board paper style section B. So this is the 1 or 2 line question answer. Long theoretical questions much is not given. Whatever it will be given, that I will tell you afterwards. I think all of you will understood. If you have till you doubt, you can contact with me. So you will follow the next video. Okay, thank you, bye.